Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is brought to you by CattleFax, the deciding factor. While there are still some regions struggling with drought, especially southwest Kansas and parts of the Panhandle, many parts of the country have seen a lot of improvement in precipitation. A lot of the southeast, central plains, and Corn Belt are no longer considered to be in a drought, and a lot of improvement has been seen in the west as well. With a large percentage of the cow herd residing in these regions, this is supportive to slowing the liquidation of the cow herd as pasture conditions improve. This is starting to be seen with less beef cow slaughter. Through mid-February, beef cow slaughter is down 35,000 head, or 6.6% from a year ago. This does still put us above the 5-year average, and with a smaller cow herd to begin this year, does not turn the tide away from liquidation yet. The other side of slowing liquidation and moving into expansion is retaining heifers. So far, the data suggests that we have not reached this point yet. The weekly USDA data shows that heifers have continued to make up an even larger percentage of the feeder cattle and calf sales than last year. Year to date, heifers have accounted for 42.5% of feeder cattle and calf sales, up about 0.5% from a year ago, and making up about 3% more of the mix than the 10-year average. Throughout the last expansion in the cattle cycle, heifers were making up less than 40% of the monthly sales and as few as 35% some months. We wouldn't expect that level of aggression and expansion with higher costs and interest rates, but a lower move in the ratio will still be a good early indicator that we are transitioning in the cattle cycle. In this week's markets, active fed cattle cash trade has occurred in the north at mostly 165 live and 262 to 265 dressed. Moderate to active volumes have traded in the south at 165. This is mostly $1 higher on a live basis and $3 higher on a dressed basis. The feeder cattle index has gained about $2 to go to 184. Calves continue to move seasonally higher as improved pasture conditions and tighter supply continue to be supportive. The beef cutout started to see some resistance this week, but the choice cutout still moved 59 cents higher, and select gained 171. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.